वेलकम टू कॉलेज ऑप्शन। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं आरवी यूनिवर्सिटी के एक स्टूडेंट से। बीबीए की स्टूडेंट है और ये कॉलेज के अंदर थी। इनसे हमने कॉलेज का रिव्यू लिया, क्या प्लस पॉइंट है, क्या नेगेटिव पॉइंट है, आरवी यूनिवर्सिटी कैसा है, क्या आरवीसी से इसका कोई लिंक है, सब कुछ इस वीडियो में बात करके। तो डिटेल तक वीडियो को देखना। प्लस किसी को यार कमेंट करके पेड काउंसलिंग में पार्टिसिपेट करना है तो नीचे मैंने लिंक दे रखा है। आपको यहाँ पे एक पर्सनल मेंटर मतलब चॉइस फिलिंग मैं बना के दूंगा, आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स मैं वेरीफाई करूंगा। प्लस प्लस आपको मल्टीपल जूम सेशन मिल रहे होते हैं, तो सारी चीजें आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगी। और आपके एडमिशन के बाद बैचमेट्स के नंबर भी मिलेगा, तो आप वो भी देख सकते हो। अब चलते हैं कि भाई आरवी यूनिवर्सिटी कैसा है, बच्चे से ओपिनियन देखते हैं।
So welcome everyone. We have a student from RV University. So we will do a review and I will ask some question from her. Can you please tell me your name
I am Shreya Kashi.
and you're from which course?
I am from ISOB BBA,
BBA. Which year?
third year.
So okay. So can you please tell me about how get to know about RV University?
So one is I had heard about RVC, the campus, and I got to know from one of my senior friends that they have started a new university inside the same campus, and that's how I.
But RVC is for BTech.
Yeah.
Right. There is no BBA in RVC.
Yeah, that's what. So one of my senior friends who worked in BTech here, they studied BTech here. They got to know that the university is starting with the BCom, BBA, and various other courses, and that's how I.
Oh, so since RVC is a brand value and it's under RSS Trust,
Yeah.
RV University is also started from RSS Trust.
Yeah.
So you believe in the brand.
Yeah.
Okay. So how was your experience till now?
It was pretty good. I thought the course would be like extremely difficult, or like I cannot like follow up with the course because I'm not that very strong in the same subjects. But then it was very nice to.
That
have
their curriculum is updated from VTU, right? They have different curriculum. They have changed the syllabus according to the new age industry, right? So can you tell me about more about this curriculum?
So the curriculum, it doesn't follow like the VTU kind, and it has its own personal curriculum. So it is adjustable to the students, the students have their own set of, like a pace of learning. So the teacher sets their own tests and exams. They conduct their own CIEs according to their pace. And so it does not, since it does not follow that, it is more adjustable to the student's preference. And I find it better.
So are you happy with RV University?
Quite happy. I thought that's what I thought, it would be little difficult to follow, but it is quite going good.
BBA is, I guess, there's two options in BBA, 3 years or 4 year program.
Yeah.
So what program you doing?
I have chosen the 4-year program.
Research.
So, which has honors in it. So, 3-year program is very common, but like 4th-year program is now gaining more scope. It's gaining more importance now, and I think research will also help me with my resume.
So what do you love most about this university?
I think it's about how friendly the environment is around here. It's not just the nature environment, but also the professors, the classrooms, the management. Everything here is like quite very friendly here. So I like the most about.
And in what aspect university can improve as well?
I would rather say it can more like ask students about the like the timings of the tests and exams conducted, because sometimes it is like back to back and it's kind of put in pressure. Yeah, so only that thing.
Okay. So what about the fest? Because since the university is new, is there any fest going in university?
There has not been any official kind of like inter-college fest that has happened, but they did conduct a Tarang Fest very recently, which was like in our own college campus. I think it is a pretty good start, but we can like go further.
Means this fest is attended by RV University and RVC.
Yes,
So,
only.
okay. So can you please tell me about the diversity? From which states students are coming from? It's completely from Karnataka, or other state students are also coming from this university?
So there is more North Indians I can find here. There are half of the population is Karnataka students and half of it is from North India. And most of the time I'll have to speak Hindi because they don't there are most of them are North Indians in my class only. But otherwise, yeah, the diversity is like pretty huge in our college campus.
Okay, so if someone is coming from the non-India, what will be advice you give him in Hindi?
What advice? Well, you can adjust to this rate. Oh, in Hindi. Well, कर्नाटका अभी बहुत डाइवर्स अभी बहुत डाइवर्स स्टेट है, स्पेशली बैंगलोर. तो आप यहाँ पे एडजस्ट बहुत जल्दी हो सकते हैं.
Okay.
तो या
और एक और क्वेश्चन, माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि which university or colleges you have compared before taking admission in RV University?
I have gone to PES.
PS Best University.
Yeah, PES, and I've tried for Christ, I've tried for Jain. So one thing is the location is pretty far for me personally, but otherwise I think even the fee structure and the method of like teaching, everything is a little more friendlier here, I would say.
So you are a day scholar.
Yes.
Okay. So did you know how is the food in the mess?
Food here in the campus, like it's pretty good actually for the fair prices that they give. It's pretty nice.
So thank you for sharing your experience with our audience, and I hope they will find it helpful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.